Hello, and today we'll download and install VMware Workstation 16 or just VMware in Windows. Before we get started, if you like what I do and want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe so we can hit 100 subs before next year. Leave a comment saying what you would like to see next. Self promotion aside, to get started with the installation, the first thing we need is to download VMware. Now, to download this, we need to open a browser, and any browser will do. Anything that can search will work. So then we'll search for VMware download. Now you can search this, and this should give you this page right here, which is vmware.com workstation player evaluation or whatever. I'll put a link down below. You can go to this link directly. Then after you get here, you should see a page like this, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there are two options for us. One is Workstation 16 player for Windows and Workstation 16 player for Linux. Now we want this version because our host system is Windows. So after we get here, just click download now, and then it should start downloading. Now wait for it to download, then we can move on to the next step. So after it is downloaded, now it's time to get into the installation. So let me close this, and then you need to find where your where your program is. So mine is right here, as you can see, VMware Player Full. So this is the one I just downloaded. So just double click on it and it should start installing. So give it a second. There we go. Now this installation process is kind of similar to how you would normally install software, but there is a little bit of twist. So just accept this, next, then next, then we wait for it to install. Then click finish. Then we can start this up. Now in here you need to select the above option which says use VMware 16 player VMware Workstation 16 player for free for non-commercial use. What this means is that you cannot use this for any type of big businesses, but for your personal use this is fine. So I will be using this personally, so just hit continue, then finish, and there you have it. Now you have your VMware installed successfully.